Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll
Well, good morning. We're just finishing packing away on the little campsite in Copenhagen, and the weather has turned very gloomy. It rained last night, you can see out there. Yeah, so the first bit of rain in our little adventure. So we're just going to finish up on this campsite. It's well placed for a visit. You can get the sea track train into the centre of Copenhagen and surrounding areas. Yeah, puts you right amongst it, so there's a good little stopover. And now it's time to push on further south. So there's something that's really hard to deal with when you're doing these van adventures, and that is the round trip. So this is around 3,000 miles that we've done so far on this journey, and the hard thing is the moment we came out of Norway and started to head south, we started to feel as if the holiday was over or the adventure was over, and it's not. But subconsciously it's so hard to fight that, I don't know, that thought of I'm going home. But it's really hard. Let me know your thoughts, how you deal with this phenomena of the round trip, and whether you feel the same. I do. I don't want to go home. Well, they certainly know how to engineer in Denmark, as we go over yet another massive bridge with a super tanker going underneath at the same time. So there you go. It's not windy up here at all. Well guys, I'm going to make this quite short. What a hellish drive we've just had. For a journey that should have taken us around 6 hours, we've been in the van since 9 o'clock and it's now 8 o'clock in the evening. So, what a drive. The main cause was a big accident on the motorway that runs through Hamburg, so there's diversions everywhere, but that completely hamstrung Hamburg, and there was no easy way around it. We tried two or three different ways to no avail, so then we just had to grin and bear it and get stuck in the traffic jam and sat stationary for nearly 2 hours. We've pulled off the motorway, we're the other side of Hamburg now. We've pulled off the motorway in between Hamburg and Bremen, and just to get our heads down. It's been very tiring. We'll stay around this area for tonight and then get back on it tomorrow, hopefully with less traffic. There you go. So, good night. Good morning guys. Well, that's where we stayed last night. Behind public swimming pool in a little village called Otterberg in Germany. Another traffic jam this time, trying to get around the city of Bremen.
Hi guys, so it's our last full day today. Yesterday was a bit of a travelling day. We drove through Germany and into the Netherlands, which is where we are now. And not last night but the night before we stopped at a place called Ottersberg, just behind a sports centre. And they had facilities there, especially for RVs, camper vans, electric hookup, free to stay overnight. Tony mentioned going through Hamburg and the awful traffic jams. Well, when we got up yesterday, we had to go through Bremen and do the same. So yeah, we then went to visit a place called Bruggen, which is where I grew up as a small child. And then, like I said, we made our way through to the Netherlands. Yeah, we're just gonna go around and see what's in the area today and slowly work our way back up to the Hook of Holland and the ferry tomorrow.
So we're still obviously in the Netherlands, and we're doing a little bit of photography, which is a great region this. I'll put it out on the map right now. So if you fancy coming and doing a bit of photography in front of a windmill, or if you want to park up, there's a great big motorhome car parking place just down the road there. And there's plenty of spaces. I think there's somewhere near 300 vans in there. And then just alongside the road to this main bit that comes in, there's loads of lay-by areas that you can stop at and park up, and then you can just walk down the side here. You'll be able to see all the windmills. So this would be a great location if you wanted to come down, I don't know, with a young family, show them around the windmills, or if you want to stop off just for a picnic or something on the way.
This is gorgeous.
Stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Worth a visit?
Yes. I've got a beastie book in my hand. Ooh.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to head back to the van and we're going to go and try and find our last park up for the night. It's gone too quick. It's gone really quick. Well guys, sadly I think this is where the filming's going to end. We're on a campsite just outside of Rotterdam. We didn't brave it into the wild for that one last night because there was nowhere nearby. It meant driving another 50-60 miles back outside Rotterdam to get to a real quiet location, and we'd had enough. So we managed to find a campsite. Cost us an arm and a leg in the end for a mistake of...
Should have been cheap.
Should have been a cheap stay.
€18.50, but not if you need to do an international bank transfer because you have none of the local currency.
And the banks charge you a fortune for an international bank transfer. So I hope this little series has inspired you. If you're in the middle of a van build, that it gives you that little push to get back out there on the Saturday morning and get that carpet fitted and all things like that, and to get yourself on another adventure anywhere.
And if you're umming and ahhing about where to go or what you should do for a holiday, just go for it.
The places that you've seen in this series, it's because we didn't book anything. We didn't make plans, and we discovered along the way. Let the road take you on an adventure, and an adventure you will find, like us. So until next time, we're going to sign off for now. So thanks ever so much for watching, and for subscribing, and for the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time, probably a little bit more local. Until then,
Ta-ra for now.
bye bye.